Ali here from Language Academy, and today in this quick video I'm going to talk to you about NAATI CCL Urdu and some essential updates in the 2021 and what exactly do you need to know if you are a current test taker, as in if you're going to take your test in the upcoming days, or if you're just going to start the preparation for this. Okay, so the first thing that I have to say is that the basics, as in the marking criteria and the test structure and the composition, that has not changed. Test के अंदर still दो dialogues हैं और उसका जो marking criteria है that is exactly the same, which means that each and every dialogue that you're going to have, it carries 45 marks, okay, and 29 plus each and 63 plus overall. So the marking criteria, it has not changed at all, okay. So what has changed is that this test was previously being held online in front of an invigilator, so that has been basically replaced with a Proctor exam tool. So in this particular tool, what happens is that you first of all have to use a computer, okay, you cannot do it on a phone, and you, in addition to the phone, you will need, in addition to the computer, sorry, you will need your smartphone as well. So you sit in front of the computer, जिसमें एक webcam होगा और जो आपका smartphone है, that's going to be placed behind you so that it can capture the entire room that you are taking this test in. So essentially, आपकी पूरी जो test attempt है उसको record किया जाएगा from in front of you, and from behind you the entire room that you're going to test this test in. So make sure that there are no disturbances, make sure that no one would enter that room while you're doing the test, make sure that there are no background noises. These are some of the basic steps that you need to do. Other than that, what you need to do is you need to have the Proctor exam extension in your Google Chrome, okay, just have that and follow the easy steps. And we will also add Varun's video in the link description so that you can watch that, and you will also find the screen recording, and you'll be familiarized with the interface as well, okay. So Proctor exam online, that's current, okay. And other than that, the other basics, as in it gives you 5 extra points for your permanent residency or the immigration, that has not changed, it still is the same. It still is valid for 3 years starting from the result issue date. That has not changed. The marking criteria, like I explained, that has not changed at all, okay. So all of those details are essentially exactly the same. Moving on, जो एक repeat आप लेते थे अपने हर एक dialogue में, वो भी अभी भी same है, okay. So that has not changed at all. First repeat for each dialogue is going to be not cause you to lose any marks, and every additional repeat is going to cause you to basically face the penalty. It will be penalized, okay. So the corrections, you're going to do the corrections exactly as you were doing the corrections before, as in while you're making your attempt, while you're interpreting the segment, आप उसी में बोलेंगे sorry correction or just correction, and then you will just make your correction. So there's no change as to how and why you're going to make the correction, but the way you're going to do the repeat, क्योंकि अब in front of the invigilator आप उसको request करते थे कि can I have a repeat please? That's not going to happen, okay? So Proctor exam tool है, basically it is entirely automated. So what you need to do is you need to prompt that using a click. So अब ये हो गया है कि जब आप note making कर रहे हैं, right? So now you'll need to operate the mouse as well on your computer. So you have to operate the mouse, you have to click on the repeat, okay? You'll see the interface, the video that I just talked about. Varun talks in great detail about what Proctor exam is, so more detail on that. You can just watch that video, and you will also be able to see the interface as well. Other useful links are also going to be there in the link description, okay? So essentially, अब ये change हो गया है कि आपको verbally repeat request नहीं करना, आपको अब एक click से वो request करना है, ठीक है? So you are operating the mouse as well, and then you are taking the notes as well. So you have to be mentally prepared for that, okay? That is just an additional new step that you will be doing, which was not there before. Just pointing out the differences. So the practice, as in how exactly are you going to practice, and how important the note making is, and how important Urdu to English and English to Urdu vocabulary is, all of those things, they do not change. Example, for example, the dialogues that you're going to see, the dialogues that are going to be there in the exam, they're not going to change the nature of the dialogues or the difficulty of the dialogues. That essentially remains exactly the same. So basically, आपका जो preparation criteria है वो change नहीं हो रहा. So what you've got to do is you've got to still focus on the practice. Practice is the key. The more you practice, the better you are. and you have to keep learn about note making. Note making is an excellent strategy, a very good tool for you to make sure that you clear your CCL exam in the very first go. And the vocabulary still is as important as it was even before these changes were introduced. Okay? So for the practice, the best place for you to practice would be our new tool, which is NAATI CCL app. You can definitely download that, and there is some free content as well. You are going to find some 10 or so free dialogues there. So I definitely encourage you to go ahead and download that and give it a go. And some vocabulary is also going to be there, which is for free. But if you get the full version, of course, the entire vocabulary is there in the app free. So what you've got to do is you have to prepare for the exam exactly the way you were preparing for this before, and you have to then also watch out for the new changes that have been made for the proctored exam. Again, the interface can be viewed at the NAATI CCL website as well, or you could just watch Varun's video, again, which will be linked right down in the description. So thank you so much for watching this quick video on the NAATI CCL Urdu 2021 updates and the things to consider. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you.